Hey, my name is Cabby. I'm trying Posca markers for the first time ever, and I'm absolutely loving them. With a few simple tricks, I made a beautiful picture, which I will reveal at the end. My favorite trick for staying inside of the lines is simply to outline every single line you come across, is to outline them. Make sure not to rush yourself because that's an easy way to mess up your lines. Also, don't be afraid to pick up your hand as many times to reposition to get those smooth lines that aren't bumpy. Another tip for staying in the line is to give the marker a second to absorb into the paper before you go close to the line. Make sure it doesn't bleed over. That's to make sure it doesn't bleed over the line. One tip for saturation is to make sure you don't see any white marks in between your passes to get a really saturated color. You don't want to see any paper underneath. And the best tip I think I've heard a lot is to always start with the lightest colors first, because it's easier to go over with a darker color if you make a mistake. Go over slowly with a dark color and fix up the line. I personally can't give any tips about color theory yet because I am still learning. So I'm doing a color by numbers book actually. It's called an advanced color by numbers book, and I will post a picture of it soon, shortly. My color choices are limited because I have a very small Posca pack, because this is my first Posca markers pack that I bought. But I can say it was worth every penny. They're very good. I am going to do another picture that will be half and half, comparing Posca markers to Master's Touch markers. And we'll see just the differences to a beginner. See if I can notice any differences in color or quality. I might even have too many works in progress going on, but still, if you have any ideas to give me, don't be afraid to. I still want more ideas of what to do in the future. This isn't a tip, but I always use a clipboard so I can keep my drawing sturdy while I'm working on it. Last thing I can think of is don't rush yourself. It is important, but it's simple. Don't rush yourself. Take it nice and slow, and you'll get a beautiful outcome. Just so you know, here's some facts about me. My age is 28 at the moment. I live in Texas, good old Texan girl. I grew up in California, so I have Cali vibes, I've been told. I've always loved to trace as a kid and do some sorts of art. I haven't done much painting ever. I just started crocheting and taking up drawing again with markers, and I love it. I also just picked up tattooing. I did one practice run on a fake skin, but I enjoyed it very much, so I'm gonna continue doing that. We're definitely past the tips part of the video, but I just wanted to say I definitely am a perfectionist, and that is why I don't post many things yet, because I have so many works in progress. But that's why they're called works in progress, because not all of them are meant to be seen. Enough chit chat. Let me see if I can find some music that is almost as beautiful as these colors are. Alright, I finished it up off camera so that I could get it just how I wanted to. And I did. I absolutely love it. I can't say enough how much I love these Posca markers.